In this episode, I'm going to show you how to set up the Puig windscreen with the small top visor and how to install it on the bike. Coming up! This is the Puig Touring Windscreen package for the Honda NC750X with included top visor. The benefit of this bundle is that the holes on the windscreen are pre-drilled. These are the plastic parts and the screws for attaching the top visor to the windscreen. And this is the top visor. This is the template for drilling the holes in the windscreen for the top visor, which you won't be needing if you purchased the bundle. And then of course the instructions for attaching the visor. There are also detailed instructions of how to use the template and drill the holes in the windshield if you purchased the visor separately. In the windscreen package there is included longer screws and bigger, softer rubber spacers. The actual windscreen, the Puig sticker, and a simulation model of how the windscreen will affect the airflow. They actually claim that this is an actual aerodynamic test result, and according to this test, the helmet and body pressure are reduced significantly. And of course, installation instructions. For the whole installation process, you will only need a 4mm Allen wrench. The installation of the top visor is very simple. Just screw on the mechanisms that holds the top visor. They are symmetrical, so you don't have to pay attention to which end goes to the visor and which to the screen. Just keep in mind that you install the visor the right way, the slightly rounder part goes down. Then snap on the small plastic washers that hides the screws. It is easy to adjust the top visor, but this is one thing you have to try out, how it changes the airflow while driving. And then you're ready to install it on the bike. The Puig Touring windshield is actually quite a lot taller than the original one. Unscrew and remove the original windscreen. Apply the new rubber washers on the new longer screws. And attach the new windscreen with the new screws. And then you're ready to take the bike out for a spin. Subscribe so you don't miss my review on how this new windshield actually works.